Hey guys, it's Tanya M and welcome back to my channel, period. Y'all already know I'm coming with a new wig review. This time it's by a company called QT Hair. QT Hair. Love the name. It's so cute and the spelling is so cute. Cute. For cutie. Anyway, they sent me over one of their wigs to review. They did also send me some goodies. I really love these type of goodies, guys, because they're so helpful, especially with the wig. I got a rat tail comb, a brush, like a teasing brush, but I use them to slick my hair up anyway, and an edge brush. Okay, they did also send me some wig caps, but let's go ahead and get into the wig because that is what's most important here. They have some glueless wigs, some 8x5 glueless wigs, and they sent me over their 22-inch loose wavy or loose curl. I'll put it up here if I said it incorrectly, but it's like the loose deep curl, and it's a 200 density, guys. Most of these wig companies do not be giving out 200 density wigs, and this is a 200 density wig, so I'm really excited. You know, it's usually at the most 180. That 200 density be looking so full and luxurious. Okay. So I'm glad this one is going to be a thickiana. So she is one of those ready to go wigs. So the lace is already cut for you. Oh, look how thick this is. This is really thick. She's already, the lace is already cut. The knots are already pre-bleached. Let's see if I can show you. Get close in there. Knots pre-bleached. Hairline plucked to the guys already. You don't have to do nothing but tint the lace, throw this on in style. Let's look at the cap construction. So it does not have any clips on the side, but it has one right behind the lace. It also has one in the back at the nape of the neck. It does not have any adjustable, like the bra straps, but it does have the elastic band, adjustable elastic band, so you can secure it to your head. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace, and when I come back, we're gonna throw her on and rock out and see how we're gonna style her. I do want to feature the natural curl pattern, so I'll probably just wet her and add some mousse. I'm back and I thoroughly enjoyed this install. This was so super easy, so super quick. I absolutely love this curl pattern. I had my choice to pick from different curl patterns, and I got this one because it reminds me of a wig I got a long time ago, and it had this, no, I actually made the wig, and the hair, I could not find the hair anymore. I bought the hair off Amazon. I think the seller just disappeared, but this hair, oh my gosh, this curl pattern is so pretty. I have been searching for a curl pattern that was so similar to this for so long, and I'm so glad I located one. I found one. But yeah, this is so cute. It's glueless. Yes, I did add the hair diagram about whole lace jelly. This is for glueless wigs. It literally says glueless daily hold for lace wigs. So basically, it's just, sometimes you get your glueless wigs and they don't always stay flush to your skin, to your forehead, and it's kind of visible if you get up close. This helps it to be less visible for the day, okay? And then all you do is take like a wet cloth and just wipe it, and it comes right off, and go to bed, okay? Put your bonnet on and go to bed. Definitely recommend this if you're a glueless wig wearer like me. But this wig is true to length, true to density. Thoroughly enjoyed it. 10 out of 10. Please click that link in the bio if you're looking for a quality wig to wear on a daily basis. This is a wig for you. To check out the other curl patterns, but this is a wig that I definitely will be recommending. I'll probably make another video to go on my TikTok because y'all need to know about this QC hair. It's almost fully dried. It's like 90% dry, but yeah, look at that curl pattern, guys. Look at this curl pattern. Look at that. It's so gorgeous, so gorgeous. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you love this video and you're interested in more videos like this, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new content. And if you like this video today, you like the wig, go ahead and hit that like button. If you have any questions, any information about the hair will be in the description box along with the link, but you can always just comment on the video, and I always answer questions as soon as I see them. But yeah, nothing really else to say. Thanks for watching. Bye.